Lightning Protection Design System, a solution based on charge transfer technology. Each year a multitude of electric power facilities are knocked offline due to lightning. Not only are there primary effects of a lightning strike, like fire, but secondary effects, such as transient surges and overvoltage, as well. Each time a bolt hits, the electrical current is carried through to ground. The ground potential rise, GPR, and electromagnetic pulse, EMP, can be coupled or transferred through the wires and into the equipment and sensitive electronics of the facility. If not immediately destroyed, every time this happens, degradation occurs and the life of that item is shortened. So why would you want to collect a strike into the ground by using a Franklin rod? Many companies have found that traditional lightning protection design systems tend to create more issues than solutions and have opted to implement a solution based on charge transfer technology. DAS uses charge transfer technology, which prevents the termination of lightning within the area of desired protection altogether. The technology is so effective, the DAS has over a 99% success rate and is the only lightning protection product to offer a full no-strike. Lex Lightning Protection Design System performs an important and imperative function in the energy and electric power sectors, helping companies avoid the downtime and restoration costs that come with outages. We recommend not only including lightning protection design systems but to implement a full and extensive lightning risk mitigation plan. This begins with risk assessment, testing, and a customized design unique to the facility, followed by proper installation, and ongoing maintenance and inspection. This approach can save energy providers and their customers millions of dollars in the long run. Lightning Eliminators has provided critical solutions for numerous electric power facilities over the past 50+ years, such as 1. Tennessee Valley Authority, Browns Ferry Nuclear. 2. International Paper Power Complex. 3. Bruce Power, Bruce B Nuclear Facility. 4. City of Tallahassee, Hopkins Generating Station. 5. Exelon, Hillaby Power Plant. It's important for electric power companies to have a lightning protection design system, and to create a thorough and comprehensive solution which combines lightning protection with grounding engineering, as well as appropriate surge solutions. If you are interested in additional information, please contact us. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Phone number: 303-447-2828. Email: info@legglobal.com. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Social media profiles: twitter.com weblink, linkedin.com weblink, facebook.com weblink.